Let's take a quick little look at Nvidia. So Nvidia has been getting absolutely destroyed ever since November, around the 22nd. We came off those all-time highs of $346.47. We've pretty much just been consistently making lower highs ever since the middle of November here. So where are we at on the chart? This is a technical analysis breakdown on Nvidia. Guys, if you want more of these type of videos, you want a list of stocks that you can trade on a day-to-day basis. I'm a full-time options day trader. I also started dabbling a little bit in the futures. Hey, you got to make money where you can make money. With that being said, you can join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. I also do have a website, evolutiontraders.com. Feel free to check me out. When you are done watching this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But with that being said here, you can see why are we getting a little bit of a bounce today? Okay, this is a little bit of a dead cat bounce, nothing to be too, excited about, even though if you are holding some long positions, it's like finally you guys can take a breather, right? Finally, it's like, oh, the stocks are up a little bit, but it's not everything that's up, right? The futures right now, they're struggling. We were up 50, we were down 30. Right now, currently, we're only up about 27 on the Nasdaq 100. Tesla was up a little bit more. We are only up about 5 points on Tesla. AMD having such like a little bit of a good day today. They had a horrible day yesterday. Nvidia having a little bit of a bounce today, and that's what this video is about. So I'm going to be explaining that in a moment. But everything else is pretty much flat. Everything else is pretty much, just hanging on by a thread. With that being said, lo and behold, our beloved Nvidia is also hanging on by a thread. So what do I mean by that? Okay, so as I was saying, we're consistently making these lower highs here on Nvidia. Right now, I have the daily time frame pulled up, so I want the bigger picture, right? I want to see what's really going on with Nvidia. I don't want to. This is what I don't want to do. I don't want to start taking a look at the 5-minute chart, or at the 1-minute chart. Whoa, we're surging higher, and then whoa, we're pulling back, and then whoa. This looks crazy, guys, crazy. Unless you are an experienced scalper, unless you have amazing discipline, unless you have amazing risk management, you understand position sizing, I would not recommend anybody to be trading the 1-minute time frame. Guys, this is a clear way to just chop yourself up, because you can, get in here and then, whoa, big pullback. And now, you're pulling your hair out and you're like, oh, I'm safe. It's coming back up again. And then, whoa. But guys, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is not even 10 minutes worth of pullback here, guys. You can't get any sort of clear direction on the market. This to me looks like we had a good pop off the open, and then we've pretty much done nothing. Okay, we've pretty much done nothing. I would not know that Nvidia is up three points on the day by looking at the hourly chart, because it looks like, yeah, maybe this is 1-2 points here, and then we pulled back a little bit. Maybe let's call that 50 cents, and then hey, we got that 50 cents back. Oh, we pulled down $1.50 here. Oh, then we got another dollar. Oh, we pulled down another 50 cents. This looks like Nvidia has been trading sideways, but Nvidia is actually up $3 on the day. So what that being said is we need to look at the bigger picture, guys, especially in a market like this. Okay, especially in a market like this. So with that being said, I'm not going to get too excited on the green day here on the video. Why? We're still being stuffed at the 5-day supply. What is the 5-day supply? The 5-day supply is the 5 SMA. That's the 5-day simple moving average. Now, not a lot of people use the 5-day. Why do I use the 5-day? For me, the 5-day is going to give the shortest near-term sentiment of who has control of the stock for the next trading session and the current trading session. Right now, if we're trading underneath the 5, that's telling me bears are still in control. The sellers are still in control of the stock, meaning that until the bulls can reclaim the 5-day moving average, you don't really want to be getting long. Now, does that mean that you can't try to scalp a long position, scalp a quick bounce? Of course not. It depends on the overall market. It depends on what the futures are doing. It depends on what the overall Nasdaq 100 is doing. But look at, if we take a look coming down here at the 100 simple moving average, if you were able to time this, right? And not everyone is perfect. We're not robots. We're human beings. Who would have thought that when we were pulling down into, the 100, that 261.20 area would have been a good area to load, because if we would have confirmed to the downside, well, then 255 was going to be the next stop. However, you could have tried to bounce this here off the 100, and then look to scale out profits as soon as you can, meaning that as soon as you start to get green, look to start to scale out those profits. But if we're talking about, where can we really go with Nvidia now? Like right now, it's 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's Friday. It's the 14th of January. I'd really kind of just sit back. I'd really just sit back and just kind of, just hang tight. I wouldn't do too much. I wouldn't be putting on a bunch of positions over the weekend. I wouldn't be trying to, to short this bounce. I wouldn't be trying to go long. What I'm looking for is probably heading into next week, unless something significantly changes, whether to the long side or to the short side today, meaning that if we were to lose the 100 and lose today's lows, 260.69, somewhere in that area, there's a short position there. There's a short position below the low of day. So I would just keep that on watch. And to the long side, what I'm looking for is, do we get back over this 5-day moving average today? Okay. If we get back over this 5-day moving average today, I'm still not going to get long. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for Monday, and I'm going to get confirmation of that close over the 5-day. And that's when I'm going to go long. And I'm going to look to scale profits right here at the 10-day. Very simple. That's how we're going to continue to play this market until this market wants to act right. Okay. It's like almost like a child. It's like a child right now. We're not going to, give this market any benefit of the doubt. We're not going to, give this market a bunch of leash, a bunch of rope. This market is on a tight leash. Okay. It's on a tight leash with me, and it should be on a tight leash with you. What does that mean? We're not going to give this market an opportunity to give us some gains up here and then take them all back and pull us back. Okay. No, not going to happen. We're not doing that. If we close over the 5-day moving average today, we'll look for the confirmation, but we're looking to take profits here at the 10. Plain and simple. We want to play to the downside. We need to lose today's lows. Today's low is going to be through this 100 simple moving average. That price is going to be 261.28. If you want to use 261, feel free. What is your measured potential? This low wick. That low wick going to be around 256.80. Guys, as soon as we start to get short here and the move starts to go in our favor, we need to start to close up that position. I hope this helps. Again, guys, do me a favor. Join my Discord. I will help you guys out. We can all sit around the bonfire. We can talk shop. We can talk stocks. We can talk options. We can talk whatever you want to talk. Join my Discord. If you want to learn how to trade, you want to know why I got all these crazy lines on my screens and how I use them to play and day trade options full time, check out my website, evolutiontraders.com. Until next time, guys, I will see you guys all later. Give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you tomorrow.